Hello, welcome back. Vijay took a break for 1 week. Vijay went to Ujjain and I went and visited the Mahakal temple there, the Kal Bhairav temple there, and it was so amazing. And on my way there, I saw so many exciting things, so many new things, so many people, so many stories, so many amazing things over there. And that is how I came back with a whole lot of new stories to share with my children. So, where are we? We are on episode 32 of Bedtime Stories with Vijay. Who's Vijay? I am Vijay, and I come to you with stories that I have written, that I have seen, experienced, and felt. And I think that it is important for my children to listen to these stories. And each of these stories are unique, they are special, they are exclusive because they are being written by me and they've been written by me for you lovely children. I'm so happy to see Divisha. Hi Divisha, I am so happy to be back again. I had to take 1 week chutti and I had to gather new stories into my mind. I had to get my imagination going, and I wrote many more stories. Hi Nikita. Oh hi. Adya will be so happy to see you here. So let us start today's story. So today's story is about a naughty little monkey. And why naughty? Because you all know I love naughty children. So whether they are monkeys or they are cows or children, I just love having naughty people around me. Okay, so hi Vandana Mehta, nice to see you here. I hope you enjoy the story and I hope that you share the story with everybody you know. So, as I was walking to the Kal Bhairav temple in Ujjain, I saw a group of monkeys. One little monkey caught my attention because he was not just adorable, but he was also mischievous. And you know how much I love mischievous children. So, as I waited for our turn to go into the temple, I saw the little monkey clamber onto his mother. He was so naughty that his mother kept a tight hold of him all the time. He would try and sneak out of her arm and go pick up the peanuts thrown by the people going to the temple, and then she would pull him back. Then he would try to squeeze out from under her arms and he would try to climb a tree and she would pull him back. And she kept doing everything that we elders also do with our children. I do that to my children. If we go to the market and they're running around, I try to catch them and I try to hold them as tight as possible. So that is what his mother kept doing. And as I watched her yank and pull him from all the musty that he was doing, I was sure that his arms are going to get longer and longer if she keeps stretching him like this. And then I thought, why not have a story about this little monkey and share it with all my children who are watching us here? So, hi Shobit. Sorry, bacha, I forgot your name. But hi Shobit, and I hope you love the story. So, as the people were going down the road, feeding the monkeys, chanting Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, and talking or eating, suddenly there was a commotion. एकदम सा सन्नाटा हो गया और अचानक से बहुत सी आवाजें आई. All the monkeys started screeching. And all the dogs started barking. Wow, 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 wow. For a minute or two, everyone was scared. And all the mothers quickly pulled their children to their side. Even the monkey mothers did that. Just like the mama monkey. Mama monkey also kept hold of her child, and all the mothers, all the human mothers, also caught hold of their children. And they were all wondering what is happening. And everybody looked, क्या हुआ क्या हुआ क्या हुआ, क्यों लोग चिल्ला रहे, क्यों monkeys चिल्ला रहे, क्यों dogs चिल्ला रहे. Suddenly people saw one lady falling down like this on the road. She had fainted. And then people realized what happened. Her little daughter, 2 or 3 years old daughter, was doing masti and she fell into a gutter. And the gutter was so deep that they couldn't reach her. And that is why her mother fainted. The gutter was very deep. But thankfully, there was no water in it. It was a dry gutter. And the girl, because there was no water, they were at least happy that she would not drown. She was hurt, yes, usko mathe pe laga tha, khoon aa raha tha, but she was there. She was not drowning or she was not going to get dirty or wet. But now, how do we get the girl back up? Everybody was wondering. The girl's father lay down flat on the road and put his hand out into the gutter like this. But his arms were not long enough. He couldn't reach her. Then someone came and pulled the shawl. Thandi ka time hai na? So somebody took her mother's shawl and put that into the gutter. But the girl is so small, she couldn't reach. And even if she could reach, she couldn't hold it. Bachchi hai na? How will she do it? Everybody was scared now. What do we do? How will we save the child? Suddenly, कुछ लोग मंदिर की तरफ दौड़ रहे हैं. They're running to the temple to call for help. Somebody's running into the shop to see if they had a rope. Somebody's running into another shop to see if he can get a ladder. Everybody's running here, there, all over the place. The monkeys are also watching all of this commotion. They're sitting on the tree, scratching, and looking. Suddenly, you know what happened? Suddenly, that baby monkey jumped out of his mother's arms and jumped right into the gutter. All the people watching got scared. अरे 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 देखो 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 बंदर अंदर गया है, बंदर अंदर गया है. They thought that the monkey would hurt the child. And the monkey sitting on the tree, the mother monkey sitting on the tree, they got scared. They thought the people would hurt the monkey. Because that's what people do, na? If they see a monkey or an animal, they'll throw stones at them. So these monkeys thought, "Arey, this baby monkey is going to get hurt because people are going to throw stones at the monkey." But to everyone's surprise, everyone, the people watching, the mummy and papa of the little girl who fell into the gutter, the monkeys watching, the mama of the monkey also which had jumped, baby monkey's mother. Everybody was surprised because you know what happened? The baby monkey quietly went up to the girl and gave her his hand. And then he slowly stroked her head. Like how we do to a child, no? We stroke a child's head. Like that baby monkey stroked her head softly. And all the while, when he was stroking her head, he was keeping on saying, it was like as if the baby monkey is talking to this baby girl. Everybody wondered, what are they talking about? But he kept talking. It was like he was telling her, don't worry, bacha, I'm there to help you. I'm your friend, I will help you. And to everyone's surprise, that little girl who had fallen into the gutter and who was crying, she stopped crying. As the monkey stroked her face and stroked her hair and held her hand, the little girl stopped crying. And then, to everybody's surprise, you know what the monkey did? The monkey slowly wiped the girl's tears. And you know what the girl did? The girl is small. She hugged the monkey. Everyone stopped and looked. And everyone stopped shouting and screaming. They all looked at the baby monkey and the baby girl in wonder. Then you know what this baby monkey did? The baby monkey gave the baby girl a banana. He had a banana here under his arm. So he took that and he gave it to the girl. The girl did like this. 90. So the monkey said, so the girl took the monkey. The girl can't take the monkey. The girl took the banana from the baby monkey and she ate it. Everybody, the people on the road, the monkeys on the tree, everybody were looking at the children, at the baby monkey and the baby girl. They had never seen such a scene in their lives. The baby monkey watched as the baby girl ate the banana. And then you know what he did? Then he scrambled onto the wall of the gutter and in 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump, 4 jump, he was out of the gutter. Then he looked down into the gutter at the girl and made some strange sounds. To the people standing on the road, it was like the baby monkey was teaching this baby girl how to climb out of the gutter. So again the monkey jumped down and again he jumped. 1 jump, 2 jump, 3, 4, 5 and he was out. And he kept saying, but the baby girl is not like the baby monkey. She cannot jump like him. She understood what he was trying to say, but she could not climb up. Then the monkey realized, baby monkey sat scratching his head like this, and he realized, this girl cannot do like what I do. So what should I do? Then he looked all around. And then he looked at his mother. And then he spoke to his mother. And people standing there were wondering what is happening. Who is he talking to? But then, you know what happened? The mama monkey jumped down from the tree and jumped into the gutter. Now people were so scared. What if the mama monkey attacks the girl? What if she does something to the girl? Oh my God! But you know what the mama monkey did? She jumped down and then she carried the girl and made the girl sit at her hip like how mamas do. No? She carried the girl and made her sit at her hips, held her tightly and 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump, 4 jump and she was out of the gutter with the girl in her arms. And then you know what she did? Then she carried the girl like this to the girl's mother and she handed the child over to the girl's mother. And then she turned back round. She went to the edge of the gutter. She looked down and baby monkey was down. And she said, meow, 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 meow. And the baby monkey, 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump, 4 jump, he was also out. And you know what the mama monkey did? When he came up, she went, fatak! She gave him 1 tight slap. You know why? Because he did not listen to her. She had told him, no, Masti, you're not going anywhere. And what did he do? He jumped out of her hand and jumped into the gutter. So mama will get angry, you know. So 1 tapak, she gave him 1 tight slap. And then the mama monkey got out of his hand, the baby monkey's hand, and pulled him up and they went up the tree. And so this is the story of a naughty little baby monkey who saved a naughty little baby girl from the gutter. Do you like the story? I think the baby monkey is so adorable that he did something like that, saving a little girl from the gutter because he knew that she was in trouble. If animals can do things like that, don't you think we also should do things like that? We should help people when they are in need. We should help people, right? Do you like the story? We should help. So my children are saying that they should help people and animals also. I agree with you. That's how they should be. So do you like the story? I see Nikita ma'am also here. Hi Nikita ma'am, I hope you like the story. So children, I shall be back on Wednesday with another story, with another moral, with another lesson for all my beautiful and cute and adorable and mischievous and naughty children who are listening to me right now. Because I believe that when you're mischievous, it's nice as long as you don't do very, very bad things. A little bit of musty is good in everybody. But if you're a child who helps others when they are in need, it's even more better. All right. So, with that, I end today's bedtime story, episode 32 of Bedtime Stories with VJ. And I hope I see you again on Wednesday. I hope you like the story. Please let me know what you liked about the story and if you like the story, so that next time when I tell you a story, I am also excited like you because I know that you children are listening to me. All right. Good night. Take care. Sleep tight. Don't let the bugs bite. Bye bye.